So what does a car nerd have anything to do with Star Wars? I will answer that in just a moment. Hey Cliff Jumpers, welcome back to the channel. Today it's time for me to literally put on a different sort of hat, and we're going to do a really quick replica prop build. I'd like to introduce you to my personal friend, the M41A pulse rifle. Yeah, it's not Star Wars, so I guess I'll put this away. Yes, in addition to being a Star Wars nerd, I'm also a sci-fi nerd. I like to build lots of props, and sometimes they work, and sometimes they don't. Yep, so anyway. For those who don't know, in addition to being a giant car nerd, I am a massive Star Wars nerd as well. I'm a proud member of the 501st Legion. Yes, I dress up as a plastic spaceman for kids. And today we are going to do a stupidly simple prop build. For anybody who's been watching the Andor series or the Mandalorian or anything like that, and you would like a little bit of Star Wars universe in your real life universe, I'm going to introduce you today the probably 30-second prop build to make an official Imperial coffee mug. That's right, this beauty here. You can make it for about $10. Maybe a little less, depending on if you go in on stuff with other friends, which I highly recommend. So all it is a coffee mug. It actually says coffee on it. You can get this on Amazon, and it's about $8. It's a particular one. I'll drop a link in the description. And then you have to do this. You take automotive chrome tape. This is 1/2 inch chrome stripping. Ignore the blue stuff. This is a protective film on the outside of the chrome tape. You peel that off, but cut this 4 inches worth of this. It's flexible. It has 3M body molding tape on this. This should last you pretty much forever. It's designed to keep pieces of car bodies on cars outside in all temperatures and weather conditions. I wouldn't recommend putting this thing through your washer, just a hand wash only at this point. But all you do is you cut 4 inches of it and slap it on there over where it said coffee. And you're leaving, all right, now I know my prop nerd friends are gonna say, all right, well, but where exactly do you put it? So yeah, we're gonna measure. You're covering the coffee thing and you are leaving exactly 1/2 inch from the bottom edge. That's where the strip goes, and then it goes up here, and it leaves you approximately 1/2 inch from where this divot begins up here. That's your reference point. That's it. That is the build. So do you want an Imperial Officer, or I should just say an Imperial coffee mug? That's all you do. Slap that sucker on there, get this particular mug, and now you have a piece of the Star Wars universe that you can drink your caf from, right? By the way, this 1/2 inch flexible chrome strip with the adhesive 3M tape already on it, this is about $11 on Amazon, and you get 16 feet of it. You need 4 inches. So if you got a whole bunch of friends that want to do the Imperial coffee mugs, just one of you buy this, and everyone else throw them like, you know, $1. I don't know. It'll cover the cost. You can share. I expect that this one strip is going to cover my entire garrison for a while. So share. Be a good human. And there we are. Beautiful. So I am now all set to go put on my Imperial Officer uniform and report for duty and drink my caf. Hope this helped you out, but it's a stupidly fast build. We'll call it a build, right? Yeah, it's a build. Anyway, enjoy. All right, so for the Empire, go enjoy your coffee now that it's officially a on-screen approved thing, and there'll probably be 501st CRL requirements for this at some point, but till then, here we go. For the Empire, see ya.
And on that terrible disappointment, it's time to say goodbye. We'll be back.